Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a declutter, organize, and clean with me. This will be the winter version, how to prepare your house for the holidays, decluttering and getting the mess out so we don't continue to go into the new year with stuff we don't need. I'm going to start this decluttering off with a little bit of my Christmas spirit in my diffuser. I love this. The kids are out of the house at the park with my husband, and I am going to have this diffusing in the air. It's already evening time, and it is perfect to get me in the mood to clean.
I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith.
So I'm going to start off in my laundry room. I kind of like to start at the beginning of the house and work my way back. I had very limited time this evening since Chris had the kids at the park, so I'm going to tackle this area first. Let me know in the comments below, does your laundry room always become the catch-all? Ours definitely does. I'm going to link above right here the whole huge transformation of this laundry room. I think it was a lot of fun, and you will not believe how much it completely just transformed the room, the things we did.
Through every frown, 'cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shade's turning brighter, I don't know how.
You will see that I am using some of the Dollar Tree items. I love those baskets and bins for organizing and decluttering. It's cheap, and they just, honestly, they're perfect. They're really perfect. And if you can't find the colors you like, just spray paint them.
Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me.
After vacuuming the laundry room out, I'm just going to use some of this Guardsman clean and polish. Nothing fancy. This was given to us when we ordered our couch from Haverty's, so it works pretty good. If you guys have a all natural wood cleaner or polisher, let me know in the comments below. I would love to find something with, better ingredients. Since I got a new set by the sink, as you will see right here, I decided to take that stoneware tray, which is perfect for the sink, but it is actually working great in the laundry room whenever the containers kind of drip a little bit after we use them. Those containers are from Walmart. They still have them. I believe they were like $5 or $6. Super good win. However, when your detergent's in there and it's kind of thick, it goes very, very slowly. It pours out very slowly. So that bin there, I got from the Dollar Tree, and I put all of the lost socks in that.
What's all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious.
Here it is, all clean. Thankfully, it has been such a mess, and I'm glad I just got rid of the junk in here. Like I said, I'm just trying to get rid of any excess that we have in our house with the holidays coming up. I like to do this. I honestly stay on top of it, but I like to really focus on this around spring, summer, and winter. So this is our winter version.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
If you guys ask, my nail color is OPI Big Apple Red. It is my go-to red for any time that I wear red. I love it. So I just want to let you guys know if you ask.
It's obvious, and then maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
So I'm going to tackle also the kitchen, all of the drawers, the cabinets, this whole area. I collect cookbooks, yet I have never even looked in them. So I'm going to start getting rid of this. I am not going to keep anything that I don't need and I don't use. If you have a hard time letting items go, what I would say is if you haven't touched it in over a year, it's probably not that important to you. But if you feel like you have it's got some sentimental value and you want to keep it, that's when I would encourage you to get like a clear bin that I have a ton of them, and label it and then put it somewhere so it's not in your main living areas taking up space. I'm going to put all of the items that I'm going to collect through this decluttering, and I'm going to put them in here in one central location like I always do, and start going through them and figuring out what I'm going to do with everything. I'm also going to go through my drawers like I had mentioned. These get so messy because the kids are right here, always rummaging through them, so I have to stay on top of this. I use sandwich bags, cheap old Dollar Tree sandwich bags for just about everything. I feel like it keeps everything like that same type of item like all together, and it's cheap. So that's another tip. If you have a whole bunch of little things like nails or screws, or I had those command hooks, sandwich bags all day long. There wasn't a ton of stuff in this cabinet. I have recently gone through my cabinets. Like I said, I try to stay on top of it. So I wasn't able to pull out a lot, but I did get some cups and things like that out of there that I can just donate. Whenever I am decluttering, I like to always have my vacuum close by so I can get any of the crumbs and stuff that may fall in the cabinets or the drawers. Talking about vacuums, I want to remind you guys, if you haven't yet followed me on Instagram, I will have that at the end of this video. Check it out. We are actually giving away a vacuum. You get to choose from a Shark, an LG, or a Dyson. So that is a really amazing giveaway. But you have to watch this video first before you head over there. I will have my link at the end of the video for you guys, so you guys can enter that awesome giveaway. So I will say, I feel like when everything isn't the same color, like you see there, it's not very appeasing to the eye. But I am not going to focus on everything being so uniform. When I need something, I will go out and buy it, but I'm not going to just go buy a whole bunch of stuff just to make it look pretty. I'm going to use what I have. Always use what you have. Don't go out and just spend money. Although it does feel good to be able to organize and make it look pretty, and if you can do it, do it. But for me, I like to just always use what I have in the house and get kind of creative with storage ideas. And like I said, these Dollar Tree bins, you can always spray paint them. It's something I do plan on doing, I just haven't yet. The dreaded Tupperware cabinet, I feel like I don't know, it grows and then it gets small and then it grows and then I have no lids. So I'm going to declutter this and get rid of whatever I don't need. And I will usually just recycle any of these plastic things. I don't like to donate this. I'm not going to send this off, but definitely will recycle it.
Never mind my many mistakes. Must be something more you could say, but you say nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. I know that you have your reasons. I know I was standing here, darling. I know, but before you go, I just wanna hold you one last time. Hold you like you're mine. Though it's over, almost over. For a second, let's forget and pretend. 'Cause I just wanna hold you one last time. Hold you like we're fine. Though it's over, almost over. Yeah, the final chapter's starting to end. Closing every page one by one. Soon you're out the door, then you're gone. Are you really happy alone? But you say nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. I know that you have.
I really wanted to tackle this spice cabinet as well. I always keep these on little turning Lazy Susans. I usually will get mine from Home Goods or Marshalls because they're cheaper. I have mixed match ones right now and I'm just making do with what I've got. But having a little Lazy Susan in there for your medicines and seasons are just a lifesaver. I feel like it saves so much space.
'Cause I just wanna hold you.
I also want to add, if you are on a budget like I am and you want everything to be uniform and pretty, like I said, a good old can of spray paint goes wonders. And also people are always giving things to like thrift stores. Go to hospice stores, Goodwill, Salvation Army, check Facebook Marketplace. You can find a ton of like storage organization type stuff.
Nothing at all, nothing at all. 'Cause you just wanna hold me.
Especially with the like illnesses. Oh my gosh, my kids have been so sick recently and so have we. And I don't want to double purchase things. It's just a waste of money. So I try to stay on top of the medicines and have it right here. I keep like other types of medicines away from the kids and those stay in like a little bin in my bathroom. But like headache medicine and things like that, I will keep out here.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul.
Now that all of the decluttering and organizing is done for the laundry room, all the cabinets and drawers, I am going to start tidying up this kitchen. It's not a terrible mess, but there's crumbs everywhere. I need to wipe down the countertops, vacuum, clean off the table, and also do the living room floor. Then I'm going to show you guys all of the stuff that I am going to get rid of, and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do with it.
I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay the
put a little bit of truth here. Do you see those clothes on my couch? It's a pretty good chance that they are still sitting there right now, a whole day later. There, I said it. See? I'm just like everybody else, you guys. Laundry builds up. It has not been my friend lately. My shoulders and my neck has been hurting, and I just haven't wanted to do it. And we had a busy day today, so I'm going to get it done today. I'm going to get it done. If you've got laundry sitting somewhere and it's been there for a couple days, don't feel bad. We all do.
Some things change, are lost and found, or gone forever. But this is what you are to me, like a body of water. Seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
I have my laundry sorter here. I am going to start loading up any of the laundry I see lying around the floor. You guys know I have 4 little boys. My oldest is a girl, but she takes care of her laundry herself. But my boys, they love to just drop their clothes anywhere. So can you guys relate? Have you had boys that do that? Give me a thumbs up if you've got boys that just drop their pants or their shoes or their socks everywhere. So I will just pull this little sorter around and start loading up any laundry that needs to go in there.
I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one, 'cause you are the only one, the only one, 'cause you are the only one.
As I'm editing this, I realized how many times I picked up a sock and smelled it before I put it back in the clean pile. Oh my gosh. I mean, that is real motherhood right there. I'm just the same old type of mom, making sure the socks are clean before I put it in the clean pile and cleaning up nasty toilets. I mean, we really are all in this together. So I have been telling my kids, so I get them 3 gifts for Christmas: something you want, something you need, something you wear, something you read. That's kind of been my tradition that I've been doing. But I decided this year, and I am going to talk to the whole family. I've already talked to my older 2 kids. I think I'd like to take one of those gifts and have my kids go to the store and pick out something for somebody else. I want my kids to know how blessed they are. We might not have everything we want, but we definitely have everything we need. And at the end of the day, that is all we can ask for. All of these items here that I am going to put away, I actually decided I'm not going to take them to Salvation Army. I'm not going to take them to Goodwill. I'm going to take them to someone who will want them and feel blessed by them. The cookbooks, I'll clean them up real good. The bubbles for kids. I have a lot of decor that I did not show here that I have in my garage that I'm just going to give to someone to bless someone. Anything else that isn't of value, I will send that off to Goodwill. But I just want to bless a person, bless a family. We'll be going through the house with all these declutterings and getting rid of clothes and toys as well. And I'm going to be donating those to foster homes. I just want people to feel blessed by us this holiday season because we are so blessed. And I'm so blessed to have you guys. If you enjoyed this video and you're still with me, would you please give this video a thumbs up? Subscribe before you go. I don't want you to miss out on any of our fun uploads. It's free. It just lets you know when I upload, and I'd love for you to join my YouTube family. I cannot thank you enough for being here. I love you all. Bye.